Hello family, this is Mccoles. Lovely to have you here today. I'm quite excited about the content I'm going to be sharing with you today, and I can't wait to deliver. Right, this is Travel and Study Abroad in Chi, and you are with Mccoles. Are you tired of getting all these questions about writing IELTS out, UK IB out for studies or for visas? Then I got you covered in this video, okay? Now in this video, I'm going to show you an agency in the United Kingdom, accredited agency company in the United Kingdom, that will give you a certification if you've had your previous education in English, and this will serve as your IELTS. It's quite amazing, isn't it? Well, there's a little token you pay around 50 to 60 pounds, and then you have it all covered. Yes. So the process is quite simple. Now you register with a valid email address, you confirm everything, and then you upload your documents. If it's masters, you upload your masters, your bachelors, and your high school certificates and transcripts. Okay, if they are all in English, and then they will just go through. I think it's a period of 3 days, business working days, yes, and then they will get back to you on it, and they will give you a certificate. If you want them to post, they will post it to you. If you want to download it, it's £7 if it's e-certificate. If it's urgent, it's £80. That is for the posting. The delivery has a different amount compared to the 49 you pay including VAT or tax. Okay, so it's a great thing out here. I was just researching, and I came up upon this video, and I said no, I have to do this as well and bring it all out to you. So if you're excited as I am, and it's valid, it's 100% certified, very authentic. Okay, so if you are very interested, stay up to the end of this video and I'll show you how to do it. All right, let's go. The company is a gold standard provider of solutions and services in international education, training and skills, and the development and recognition of globally portable qualifications. So we are internationally trusted and respected reference point for qualifications and skills standards. So like I said, this company here can help you get a recognition if you had your previous studies or in English, okay, in English. So now Actors provides official UK national agency services on behalf of the UK government in qualification, skills and migration. So we are UK based and operate worldwide with a global network and client base spanning 62 countries and 5 continents. We have a 20-year track record in international consultancy and development. So that's all. Now this is the service. They have helping you get a job, a steady place or professional rights, helping you get a UK visa or settlement in the UK. Not sure what services you need? Click here to use our interactive guide, so you can go out there and check it out as well. Now, solutions for organizations. They have universities, college providers, employers, recruitment, agencies, agents, and all of that. So it's a whole lot. You can just go ahead and then read them. Now let's check. Now they have the UK ethnic, they have visas and nationality, and they have UK Center for Professional Qualifications. So they have special, and of course they have explained it here. Let me not skip this. Now the UK ethnic is the UK National Information Center for Global Qualification and Skills. So following the UK's leaving the EU, the former UK NARIC recognition agency function changes from the NARIC, which is the EU only title, to the ENIC, the wider European title for National Recognition Agency. So in order to meet the UK's continuing treaty obligations under the Lisbon Recognition Convention, this has been established to check it out. Now, UK visas and nationality services are provided on behalf of the UK Home Service. Visas and nationality statement support applications to the Home Office for visas and for settlement. So you can just go ahead and read. Now let's check this out here. Helping you get a job. So now here, industry skill statement. There's a whole lot, so you can take your time and then you can read. Okay, so the service help you apply for either a construction skill certification scheme card, a land-based industry skill scheme, an electro-technical certification scheme, a skill card, a joint industry board, plumbing, and whatsoever. Now, if you're applying for the card, which is not listed above, you may not need these services. So check the requirements here before you get on to it. This is one part of it, okay? And then you go here, how it works. Now, if you're applying for blue, gold, black, or whatever card it is, which is industry skills statement with skills mapping, to be eligible for the service, you must have spent time working on a construction site as part of your qualification, and you can only submit one qualification for the service. Okay, so this is for business people and all. White academically qualified person. If you need this card, I believe to qualify for this card, your construction qualification needs to be comparable to a higher national certificate, higher national diploma, bachelor's, master's, doctorate degree, and all of that. So you can just go, and then the prices are out here. The industry skill statement is £50 plus VAT. Industry skill statement, stage 2 is 345. Wow, that's quite a lot. And then the academically qualified persons is 184.50 pounds. And also, and like I said, if it is delivery, you could go to delivery here, and then they'll tell you that if it's AE statement, if you want to print it out, it's £7.5. Okay, available to download from your applicant portal immediately after the completion of your service, and then available to download for a period of 3 months after the completion of your service. If you want guaranteed Royal Mail special delivery, that's £10. Royal Mail signed 5, and the first class post is £2.50. Okay, and all that, right? So international, this is home UK delivery. This is international. Yeah, the courier service is £80. International sign is £10, and e-statement is £7.50. Yeah, let me go back to this here so you can see the broader view. There we go. So yeah, what do you want to do with your statement from this company? So I want to be a student in the UK. I'm applying for a job in the UK. So for those of us who are on about, or who would like to do the care assistant jobs, would like to apply, you can just go out here and then check it. Let's do it one after the other. Okay, I have time. I'll take you through all of them, so do not worry. Now, you want to find a school in the UK or maybe anywhere else in the world. Okay, this is what you do. Now, the statement of comparability. This service is for you if you need to evidence the level of your overseas qualification for employment, study, professional registration, or another reason. If you need to evidence the level of your degree and your English language proficiency for the UK Home Office, you need to use the specialist Home Office focused services, the visa and national services. So if you want to apply for a visa, then there's a special page you need to go through the process. Okay, the statement of comparability services is able to evaluate part completed school qualifications. This may help people arriving in the UK from overseas who want their children to access A levels. So high school qualifications in the UK, GCSE, are commonly required by employers and study institutions. So please include your high school and senior high school qualifications if you need GCSE comparison to be considered. So how do you apply? You apply online. Okay, you click on this one, you create an account, like I said, you follow it, and then you just go on. Now, before you apply, you can check the interactive guide on how it works, and once you've created an account on the website, you will be able to log in to upload your documents, contact us, and make payments. How does it work? Now, we compare overseas qualifications to the UK education system, compare them to the UK qualifications and framework levels. Now, the service does not provide grade comparisons, no. So present your statement of comparability together with your qualification documents to evidence the level of your overseas qualifications. Now, evidence of high school qualifications are commonly required in the UK, so of course you may want to include this as well in the application. The fast track service includes track mail delivery e-statement as part of the order. So for international deliveries, track mail uses both international and domestic mail services, and delays are likely. Okay, so you should check them out. And then you can see an example of the statement of comparability here. Let me click it, and then let's see how it is. So this is it. This is an example of it. Okay. So qualification title, Zutania bachelor degree, country of award, Zutania, year 2016 award, university comparison. That's the framework level. So they did the comparison, the qualification title. Another one. This is senior high school, and you see, and all of that. The school certificate. So they'll do all of this for you, and then there's just a sample, and then they would send it to you, or that you can post it now. Yeah. All right. So what do I need? What do I need in order to apply? So you should apply online for the statement of comparability. You will need photographs and scanned copies of your final certificate, transcript, and certified translation of your documents, if the documents are not, of course, in English, and you are not going to use our translation waiver service. So please know that unless specifically requested, we do not need copies of the program certification or your thesis. Okay, they don't need the thesis. Now, for affordable, high quality certified translation suitable for UK and niche applications, we recommend dialects.com, whatever it is. Now, if you're, let's say, for example, you're from a French speaking country, you went to a French speaking school or a French school or university, and your certificates are in French, or you went to a Chinese school and your certificates are in Chinese, you can use this to do a translation for you. This company, dialectsy.com, could do a translation for you. Okay. So for information on our translation waiver service, certified translation and required documents, you can go to the FAQs to read the questions that they've answered there so that you can get on with it. Now, once we've received all of the necessary documents and payment, we will complete your assessment within 15 working days. I thought it was 3 working days. Sorry, it's 15 working days. All right. So if you have a deadline, we recommend that you use our 24 and 48-hour fast track service. Now, this is the catch. Prices. See, the statement of comparability costs only £49.50, which is, let's say, £50 total plus VAT. Okay, VAT is applicable plus delivery charge, and then that's where we went to see the delivery. If you come here, it will tell you the same as I did earlier: 5.50, 80.00, and 10.00. So let me rush back, and then we can do another one. You can take your time and get on. So if you're applying for a job, in the UK, what kind of job are you looking for? Are you looking to work as a teacher, construction, or you want to work in another kind of job? So you want to work in another kind of job. Let's see what it has. And I believe it's the same process. This service is for you if you need, evidence of level of your qualification, overseas qualification for employment, study, professional registration, or other reasons. If it's visas, you should check the visa nationality services and all of that. So it's kind of the same. You apply online, how it works, basically all the same stuff. Yeah, same. So I believe that's all about it for this service. It's quite good. Now, and I'm applying to the UK Home Office to move or settle in the UK. Okay, let's check this one out. Okay, that is the visas and nationalities. Okay, so the visa and nationality service supports you if you need to evidence the level of your degree and your English language proficiency in the UK Home Office. So these services are for you if you are applying for one of the following visas or routes. So we have family, including spouse, settlement, or citizenship naturalization. Tier 2, of course, for jobs and for studies. Tier 2, skilled worker healthcare. Here, startup, innovator, minister of religion, high potential individual. So you need all of, if you are applying to any of these sectors, you need this service to help you out. And you can replace this with IELTS if you don't want to write. The visas and nationality PhD and visas and nationality PhD with English proficiency service provide verification of PhD level qualifications to those intending to use their PhD to qualify for tradable points for the skilled worker route. Okay, the visas and nationality high potential individuals and visas and nationality high potential individuals with English proficiency services provide verification of degrees for those intending to use their qualification. I think it's the same thing that they just repeated. Okay, so it is important that you carefully read. It's good to read. Okay, just read. Now, how it works: there are 5 visas and nationality services available: English, PhD verification with English, high potential individual, and high potential individual with English proficiency. Okay, and all of that. Now, if you would like to use your bachelor, master's, and PhD degrees to demonstrate the level, then visa nationality English proficiency. So it's quite explaining to you how or what to do. All right. So if you have a bachelor's, a master's, and PhD, you should choose English proficiency. For this service, we can only access qualifications that are considered comparable to bachelor's, master's, and PhD in the UK and were taught solely in English. Okay. So they will compare with the higher education degree to the standard of bachelor, masters in the UK and all that. And if your degree was not studied in the majority English-speaking country, we also confirm the level of your English language proficiency based on your qualification and according to the Common European Framework of Reference for languages. Okay, this is the English language proficiency statement. So once we have received all required documents and payments, we will complete your assessment within 10 working days. If you have a deadline, you should use the 24 or 48-hour fast track service, and that's all about it. Now, if it's a PhD, you go to PhD verification, and if PhD for skilled thing, and all that, you go on and on. So I would end here. I think that's all about it. The prices, I believe. Okay, so with the price, well, this is a bit catchy. 140 plus VAT, because it's visa issues, right? Now the PhD verification is 210. PhD verification with English proficiency 210 as well. 210, 210, 210, and all. So you hit apply now. I'll show you, and then you create an account. Title, you put in Mr. First name, last name, email address. You confirm the year of birth. You select your nationality. Nigeria, Ghana, I believe every country is here. Now, does the qualification holder have a refugee status? If you do, you say yes. If you don't know, the purpose of your inquiry. Okay, job application, higher education, further education, and all of that. And then you choose, and then you do your password, and then you register. Now they'll send you a confirmation in your email. You confirm, and then you upload your documents. You make the payment, and then that's it. So that's all about this. I'll end here. If you have any questions, do want to put them in the comment section. This is quite a long video. Yes, and I would like you to follow up till now so that you can understand. So thank you for watching, and yeah, God bless.
So that was about the agency. You're excited as I am, eh? Right, so if you want this, so you can choose what you want, like I showed you, right? If it's for visas, if it's for schools and all, they get you covered, and they come at different prices. So once you pay and all, they just deliver it for you. And then once you have that document, you can submit it to, whether it's to a school or it's to any embassy you're going for to apply for a visa, because it is UK certified. Okay, so that's all about it. If you have any questions, do well to leave them down in the comment section, and I will get at you later. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one.